1720. This is Patapan.
Yeah, give me a second.
Sure.
Good to see you gentlemen again.
Yeah, good to see you. I like the costume today.
Remember the Huntington Militia, we do the Schenk House.
Oh, okay. Okay, next we're going to play for you a piece called Patapan from 1720. It's in cut time, okay? 1, 2, 1. This is from 1848. Like 3 beats or so. No, I'm sorry, 2 beats, sorry. 1, 2. Next piece we're going to play for you is the Normandy Carol. This is from the 15th century. The Salvation Army takes music from all the different sects and plays them in their performances also. The Normandy Carol.
Second ending?
2 beats, second ending. 1, 2. Sussex Carol. This is from 1684. This is the Sussex Carol. I'll give you 1, 2. 1, 2. We're giving you just a taste of each of these carols. Those of you who would attend a service might see hymnals where there's 4 verses, 8 verses, maybe even more. So we're just giving you a taste of them. We're not going to play all the verses. Next one is See Amid the Winter's Snow, and this is from 1858. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. My fault. Wrong piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. This next one, most of you should probably know. This is from 1789, and this is Away in the Manger. 1789. 2 beats. 1. Next we have for you Christ was born on Christmas Day, and this is a little bit older, probably not too many people around in 1582. Anybody here around in 1582? Somebody over there? Okay, good. Okay. Here we go. Then you'll know this one. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Next one we're going to play is Come, How Long Expected Jesus. Thou Long Expected Jesus. And this was from 1744. We're playing all songs from the Salvation Army Band Book, which takes many denominations and puts them all into one book and performs them all the time. This book's pretty popular among all the groups that I play in, so you'll hear some of these songs again if you hear Christmas carols being played around the island. So this is 1744, Come, Thou Long Expected Jesus. 1, 2, 3. Next we have We Gather Together from 1797. And when I give you these dates, these are dates when they're first recorded in one of the hymn books of the time. Monk wrote a hymn book. There were several others that were in the 1800s, and they were compiled at one time or another, but they put the dates in the hymn book as to when they were first discovered. That doesn't mean that that's the first time they were played. So 1797, when it was finally put into the hymn book. We gather together. 1, 2. next, "O Come, Ye Faithful People, Come," 1844. 1, 2, 3, 4. This next one is from 1636, and I always like to check and see if there's anybody around in 1636. Nobody around? No? None of you kids? 1636? No? Anyway, this is "Now We Thank Thee, All Our God." 1, 2, 3. This next piece we're going to play was written by George Frederick Handel and was included in a lot of the Christmas festival ceremonies. This is part of the Messiah, which was the famous piece where you might know the Hallelujah Chorus. It's from this. And this is one of the songs, "For Unto Us a Child is Born." And this is from 1741, George Frederick Handel. How's the part for you?
Yeah, it's hard to do is rest. So.
Okay, all right, okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. This is "Hark the Herald Angels Sing." It's been around for a while. 1855. 1, 2, ready? as with gladness. One,
With the reading?
ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, ink.
Yeah.
One stroke. 1, 2, 3. Next, in this book is from 1529. It says, "While shepherds watched." 1, 2, 3.